A recent report indicated that the new Galaxy S8 flagship is not successful as the Galaxy 7 before it, but Samsung argues that the comparison is skewed and or distorted. So the report is not supported or corroborated or ameliorated by Samsung. So choice A and choice C are eliminated. Circumscribing as choice D means to enclose or encircle and thus cannot fit the context, and so choice D is also eliminated. Reversing as choice C is a spin trap is the most tempting incorrect answer with respect to refuting as choice B. Because the passes evidence for distortion, that is both evidence for opposition and contradiction of opinions. So choice B is a better option than choice C. So the correct answer is choice B.